Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can save your videos in CapCut PC. So in another word, how you can export your project in CapCut. But after you finish editing the videos, you can click the export button in the top right corner to start shaping your video. Okay, because I'm using this profile. Alright, select the export button and you can change for the title of your project and change the place you're exported. Select folder you want to make as a place you're exported. Alright, so you can turn on video exporting and turn on export the audio because it's now audio. Right, you can change the resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and etc. And just click export. Alright, you can, yeah, now you can click open folder to open your exported. Here, so that's how you can save your project in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.